This is the part 3 of making the slime. So this is the slime that I activated yesterday. I mean kanina. Or earlier. It was from my part 1. So this is what she looks like. It's gonna activate a bit. Do not add water or else it will not activate. It will just activate if you leave it this for 10 hours or mga 1 hour or 2 hours. Kailangan mo i-mix. You need to mix all with the left out. So if you did it on the table like me.
Marami na ako. Ay, dalawa.
If it's like super looks melting, just do this. See that it will activate suddenly. See that. So I have here one clay that is left from my box. I'm gonna mix. It's not the same colors again. Just need to mix. Okay, it's kind of pokey now. See that? It works.
Bread.
Mommy, look at my bread.
Yeah, that's why. Ako na lang. Ayaw mo?
Yep. I just wanted a bit. Mommy, tirahan mo ko ng half.
Okay.
Mommy, left me and half, ha? Mommy, ha?
Yeah, sure.
Mommy, left mo ko ng half.
Okay.
Ba, taga-English siya ka na yun? Ikaw mo taga-Amerika. Taga-Filipino ka. See this? See, that is slime. Oh no. Kaya mo mami natatanggal. If it's just stretch like this, means it's already forming. It's so big now. It doesn't even. This is.
Napakakainin mo to. Ba't di mo kinain?
Hindi. Tirahan mo lang ako ng onte. Madami kasi.
Dami mo pa namang nilagay na ano.
Hindi. Mami, tirahan mo ako ng onte.
Ayan.
Hilig ka ba sa matamis or hindi? Hindi. Half tira. So I'm done cleaning. So thank you for watching. Can I get a bite? Can I get a bite there? This one is bigger.